Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to read the cards for you for the month of December 2020. We will see what energies are you getting from the universe in this month, and what are the things you need to really adopt in your life and then move on with that, and what exactly you need to let go of in the life so that your life can become more easy and you are in a more calmer space in the month of December. As usual, before starting the reading, I will be sharing my contact numbers with you so that if in case you want to get your personalized reading done with me, you can reach out to me easily. You can telegram me, WhatsApp me, or call me on 8448901791. You can email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com, and you can visit my website www.blossomlifetarot.com as well for any further information about the channel. Okay, moving ahead as usual with the very first card of your month, and the card is very beautiful card. I will tell you the details of it. In fact, I will make you meet up with your fairy card of this month quickly. Let us just flip all the cards for you week wise. Card 1, then we have the card 2, we have card 3, and then we have the card 4. This is the set 4 for the fourth week, third week, first week, and second week respectively. Okay, so the very first card talks about fairy of friendship. Friendship fairy comes in readings to tell you that you are not alone. You are surrounded with helpful people, advisors, friends. They could be friends whom you have not spoken with for some couple of time, and then these are the people who can help you in this current situation of yours. So if you're stuck in a situation and you think that you need help, and who can help you, I think you already know the person who can help you in this situation. You just have to reach out to your friends and express your situation to them, explain the situation to them, and they will be there to help you, Capricorn. So that's a beautiful thing about your reading today. um, Moving ahead in the same reading, and I am moving to the next week, which is the week 1, and the week 1 talks about movement. Now, what kind of movements are these? Um, the chariot has appeared in your reading. I'm sure you know if you watch videos regularly about tarot, then you will understand when the chariot comes in a reading. Chariot talks about movement in life. At times it talks about physical movement, like you are relocating from one place to the other, or in a few situations it talks about travel, and in few situations it talks about where the situations have become, or the scenarios have become stagnant for you, or monotony has come into your life. It talks about a change in that. So in your case, it is not a physical movement, it is not a travel what I see in your card, but what I see is a movement in your thought process, movement in terms of if you have had got stuck in a situation, or you think that this is a troublesome time for you and you're not able to get out of it, there is a movement coming your way there. So things are going to move in your life. So when it comes to relationships also, if you think that your relationship was stuck at one place, monotony has taken over your sparkling relationship, you can expect some movement there in the first week of December. That's a beautiful energy what I see here for you. So it is always good to have things moving in life rather than getting stuck at one place, and that's what December is getting for you, bringing for you in terms of your life movements. Okay, with the same energies movement, since you see some spark there in your life in the month of December first week, with the same energy you're moving to the next week, and the next week is talking about some financial disappointments in your life. Now I think that these disappointments are something which are self-made. Situation is not as bad as you are thinking right now, and you are a little disappointed, but I think there is a female in the life who is making or becoming the reason to manage your finances. So maybe a lady love, maybe your partner, maybe your the one you actually rely on, in terms of maybe your mother. This person is actually managing your finances well, so you don't have to be disappointed anywhere. Stop thinking about things, because if you look at this picture, and I have to give you a pictorial message out of it. There is a cup, which is a beautiful cup filled with water, so it has everything what you need in life, but your focus is here what you want. If I have to elaborate it further for you, I will say your expectations are little too much on a higher side right now, considering the kind of situation you are in. So in this situation, what you have in your hand is something a lot of people are craving right now in this scenario. So that's what you need to understand, that you still have positives left in life, and there are people in the world who don't have these leverages also. So you need to understand that, Capricorns. Have patience about yourself, with yourself, and settle things with yourself first rather than moving out and looking ahead. Now, you will be surprised to see two cards what I am going to show you right now in the reading. December is going to be about disappointments, which are your self-made disappointments, wherein you are not able to look at the positives of life and you are focusing on negatives, and that is making your life a little difficult. I had shown you one card. This belongs to your second week of December, and this card talks about illusions in your mind, and those illusions are taking you where it is again taking you a situation. This person is upset, this person is also upset, but then both the people are not able to look at, in the background there are two filled cups, two positivities, two opportunities, two beautiful ways of living your life, and you are not able to do that. That is your problem. Self-made problems are actually surrounding you because it is created by your own mind. So take a look at your life, take a halt, and think about it. What you're doing is right, or what you are thinking, like you're overthinking in this month, is that right for you, or is that getting you any benefits out of life? Now, when I talk about the Four of Cups appearing in your third week, this Four of Cups is talking about, and you are in a mode of thinking. You're planning something, you're in a planning mode, and this planning mode is not getting executed. That's the problem. So, you are not doing anything, you are just creating problems for yourself. Also, there is one positive thing which comes in your mind is that, and which comes in your life in the month of December, is the Ace of Wands. It talks about new start, new beneficial things in life. There's a possibility that in December you might have to start something new. You have to begin something from the beginning. So that building something from scratch is something which is coming in your cards in the month of December. Now the same thing concept applies to your relationships also. If the relationship was not working well and you were not able to see positives in life, then I think by the end of December you will start looking at positives of life, you will start looking at the positive things of life, and also you will give a fresh beginning start to your relationship in the month of December. From a career perspective also, there is something new getting started. So if you were looking for a job, you will get a job. If you were wanting to start a business of yours, you will start a business of yours. That is also possible, you can do that. Also, this month is not going to be an easy month in terms of responsibilities or carrying out responsibilities well. This is how it looks like. There's a lot of responsibility on your shoulders. There's a lot of burden you have on your shoulders. That's what you are doing right now. And the positivity of this thing is that even if you have a lot of burden on your shoulders, you have a burden of relationships, responsibilities, financial responsibilities of family, you will have that burden, but then you will actually carry it out very very well. So I don't see any problems coming your way in the month of December. Responsibilities will be there. Problems are self-made problems, those are not actual problems, Capricorn. The more you think, the more problems for yourself, illusionary problems, you will invite for yourselves in the month of December. I'll say that. You might have some tussles with your mother in the month of December, Capricorn. Looks like some tussles happening with the person who has nurtured you, or maybe with whom you've had your grown up relationship, and I see in that relationship some kind of transformation happening. So the relationship of yours with your mother or the motherly figure is going to change drastically in the month of December. These are forceful changes coming your way, which will happen, uh, here. So that's important. Also, one important message for the people who have conceived, or who are family way, or they are in their initial trimester of pregnancy, or their wives are in initial trimester of the pregnancy. Take care of your partner very very well, because there they might come across some stress, or you might go through some stress if you're a Capricorn and you've conceived. Pregnancy is something which needs to be taken care of very very well. So please do take care of your partner. My suggestion to you will be that. Now your movements are happening, things are moving in life, you want things to happen your way, but if that is not happening that way, you're making your own life hell. Don't do that. Let's take a message from the universe also in terms of what exactly universe is trying to tell you. And trust me, your partner will be a support system for you in the month of December when it comes to finances, so you don't need to worry about anything, Capricorns. You have a card which says you glow, we beam. Thank you. Now the card says, let me read the message for you quickly. It says, in case anyone should ask, your heart isn't so large because of your wings. It's because your wings that are so large because of your heart. You are you're a person who has a lot of love in your heart for people around you. Now when it comes to living your life with the permission of your heart is so big that at times you don't look at your own needs and own comfort while you're helping others. So it is a pretty thing to have up in a person, and I think that the beautiful thing makes you all the more a wonderful person, Capricorn. And do not go by people's comments when they say that you've not done this in life and you've not achieved this thing in life, because that is their own mentality and you can't help it. You as a person is a wonderful person, so please don't listen to the negativity which is coming from other people outside. You need to take help of crystals to make your life better. You can take help from crystals in terms of making your life beautiful, or inviting these are the crystals I use. So I'm holding a tiger's eye right now in front of me. So if you feel like you're lacking confidence, you can use tiger's eye to increase your confidence levels. If you think you have a lot of negativity around you, try black obsidian or black tourmaline. These are the two stones I use for, the two crystal stones I use for, keeping the negativity away from my life and negative things away from my life. So this is how I do it. You can also take help from these crystals. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, be happy, be nice to people around you. Ask me if you need help in terms of crystals, selecting crystals for yourself, and I will help you with that. Okay, take care, goodbye, and God bless you all. Bye.